Hey everybody! If you want to remove water from your phone speaker using sound, in this video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. So for that we can start by maximizing our volume. You can turn on your phone's volume to the very top like this, all the way up, and then what you can do is you can find a water eject sound. So you can go to YouTube or anywhere else and you can look out for the option called water eject sound at the very top. So let me just type in. So you can just go and type in at the very top. Type in water eject sound. And once you do so, there you'll be finding a bunch of sounds available. Now what you need to do is basically find the sound and tap on it. And while you are playing the video, make sure that your volume is to the all the way up. You can just go over and do so. You can find different videos available online. You can start the sound. It's a specific low frequency tone that makes the speaker vibrate intensely to make the water out. To push the water out, you can play with the sound for 30 to 60 seconds and repeat 2 to 3 times or until the audio sounds clear. And that is how you do it. This works for small amount of water best. That is how you do it. But if your phone was submerged, you can turn it off immediately and seek professional repair because sound might not remove significant water. So that's it everybody. You may follow this process to remove water from phone of speaker using sound. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.